Like and subscribe. This spacer comes in a lot of handy when you're making your own guitar effects pedal, a stomp pedal. So I made one of these on a 3D printer, and I made them a long time ago for a 1590B sized Hammond brand aluminum enclosure box. And a lot of people use those for, the stomp pedals, but they're not big enough. I kept on getting questions over and over again on eBay asking me, do you have one for a 1590 BB? So I finally made one after several years of several people asking me. With COVID, it actually gave me the time to do it. This spacer just snaps right in the box there. Okay, you need to make sure it's a Hammond brand box. I've seen people use these with other boxes, but Hammond is what I designed it for. If you try using it on a different box, I guarantee you might have an issue. I mean, it might fit, but I can't guarantee it's going to fit. It's not made for that box. I have had several people buy them and complain that they didn't fit their box. I asked them for a picture of their box, and it is not a Hammond box. It's not designed to fit the box if it's not a Hammond. So anyway, you put this on there. Now the problem with this is that these screws are not long enough. They do not go down far enough to even reach the threads. You see that in there? So I got some longer screws to the right size. You can snap your lid right on here. These screws will go right down in the hole. They go down all the way, and they're made just for this. So I've got these in some different colors, but the clear one I think I probably sell more of, and I'm about to show you why. You can see the light shine through the boxes. People use the red, green, blues. They use different colors and whatnot when they make these. But see my flashlight rolling around in there. So guys, that's it. This is the 10mm spacer. I also make a 7mm spacer. I'll make a different video for the 7mm spacer. But if you guys are interested in buying one of these, either on ebay.com, just look for guitar pedal spacer, riser, something along that nature. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. There's a lot more videos on my channel. There will be a lot more videos getting put up as well. Thank you.